of you might have planned to purchase this bike and going over the internet to search the good things, the bad things. But before that, I would suggest you, one thing, or you might consider it as a tip. Uh, yeah, please do your due diligence over the internet first, and then please, go to the showroom to take a test ride and see like how it connects you, or how do you like, because some people might not like this bike. Don't just go for looks, also check whether it is practical for you, because this bike has got really uncomfortable stance. I know it's not very aggressive like Zen 2 KTM's or R15, but it is not relaxed either, so it needs to be bent slightly, and it's not very comfortable for long journeys. So take a test ride, first thing. And the second thing, please go to the service center. Sometimes the service center will be located behind the showroom. Sometimes it will be a little far from where they sell these bikes. So please do visit the showroom and check how many bikes are standing over there. Like if you want to buy RS457, please go to service and see how many RS457s are there standing. And please talk to the service guy and ask him like what are the issues the general people are facing, and how long it will take to get fixed things. So, and also you can ask the part availability timelines. Why I'm telling you is this: the other day I had visited one of the showroom in Bangalore. I wanted to check Tuono 457 in person, and also I wanted few stickers for my bike. So when I went there, so I was shocked because there were more than 10 to 12 Aprilia RS457 standing still, and most of them, not few, most of them had thick layer of dust sitting on the motorcycle. That tells us that the bikes have been stranded for so long. Seeing that, I was not that happy, because if something happens to my bike, I want my bike to get fixed as soon as possible. By looking at those motorcycles, I don't see that's going to happen, which is little concerning. I don't know why. Might be part availability, or the technicians are not well trained. They are trained only to do a general service, but not to work on the engine or some other stuff like electronics or whatnot. So that's a big concerning part which I have observed over there. So that's the reason I am telling you guys, please do visit the showroom before you purchase any motorcycles, especially if you are buying the expensive one, above 3 lakh and above 300 to 400 cc motorcycles. And yeah, so I have ridden around 4,500 kilometers on this beautiful bike. So it's beautiful. It's just handles like a charm. So I love this. I love to ride this bike. I haven't ridden anything like this before, and it's truly a segment killer. But and also same time, there are a lot of questions raising regarding this reliability issue. If Aprilia sort these things out, then this bike is going to be a game changer for them. I don't think there's anything like this in this price range, and it's so fun, too much fun. Actually, it's addictive.